this is Saskia from Paper and Journaling, and thanks for watching. And today I'm going to create a a birthday present for my sister. How on earth would I say Christmas present? Christmas is long ago, but okay. I'm going to give her a birthday present. It's going in the form of Happy Mail. I can't be at her birthday. She doesn't really make a big party of it. If somebody drops by, then they are always allowed to come in. But for me, I'm away, and it's a little bit too far to just drop by for a quick moment. So instead of sending her a birthday card, I give her a nice little, a birthday present in the way of happy mail, snail mail. How would you call it? And I'm using this lovely Tim Holtz paper with it, which I will ink with some distress ink. And she's not the kind of person who would like to have washi tape or stickers or something like that. She wouldn't know what to do with it. I think it would be laying on the table for maybe a few weeks and then disappear in the clutter or somewhere else, and that would be a waste of time. So I try to give her some things that she needs, and I found this small notebook which you can use for your groceries or something like that. I always have one in my handbag. Yes, handbag, that's the right word, handbag. But the front is not in line with the rest of the paper, so I just make another cover over it. That would make it a bit nicer. And when I made the folding lines, I made one folding too hard, yes. And that scratched totally, so I need to repair that as well. I will use some washi tape over it, and now everything is gluing to each other, and I always hate that. Then I always feel like 4 again when everything is gluing, when my fingers and all the papers are gluing together. But I think you will have that too, or maybe I'm the only one on earth, the only grown-up which have this problem. And now that looks a lot better, I think. And what I said, my sister lives at the other side of the country. Well, we don't live in a very big country, but I think 1.5 hour drive, 2 hour drive for just an hour visit, that will be a bit too long. And I think I will see her I see her very soon, so that won't be a problem. I have this kind of birthday card. It's just a small card. It's the Cold Finch of Karel Fabricius, the painting, and it's the real painting is hanging in a museum nearby, and it's a lovely small painting. I'm going to give some chocolate as well, of course. And what would I say about the painting? I'm always going from this subject to another subject, but it's always weird. I mean, the painting is absolutely beautiful, but it's a real small goldfinch, and I think that if you found that painting just in the attic, I don't know what you would do then. If you would use it very well, or if you would give it away or something like that. But okay, that's not the issue. Oh, before I forget, if you like this video or what I create, please give a like and don't forget to subscribe. And of course, I will give her some tea, and this is a bookmark. This is a green tea. and above you see the a paper clip with I make some embellishment that are always things you can use, and that's the notebook, of course. And now I want to put some extra paper clips on it, and they are very easy to make. They are, you know, that's 10 minutes, well, not 10 minutes, 5 minutes work. And I will put the link above, so if you want to create them as well. And they have some inspirational text on top, like believe and love and things like that. So that's always a good thing. And this is what I think. And now it's always the question if everything sticks together in which I created, or not falling down. Well, that's a nice package. I only have to use some, what I said, some washi tape on top, because there is a big scratch in it. But if you use some washi tape in the same the same subjects, then it will the same colors. And this is, of course, some lace that I will put around. And as you see, this will glue as well on my fingers. I'm only gluing the back, that's enough. It's just that it will close perfectly and make a nice well, this I'm creating on top. It's what Minnie Mouse always had on her head. I have no idea what it's called, but you'll see and you know. And then it's time. Well, this is, I think it's nice. It's better than a bought birthday card. I only have to fill in the birthday card, and everything will stuck on their place. That's also very nice. Not that everything is coming out, things like that. Yes, that's a present I would like to receive as well. And then the envelope, I'm first making the thing where the address will need to come, so that I know that I don't have to put papers over that part, because sometimes I'm busy with collaging, and then I don't have the space to write down the address. That would be a problem, of course. And I always like to collage. I always see new things to put around, to use, to glue. And I'm curious if you have that too. If you can stop, or if you want to go on and on with everything to glue on, and to use all your stickers what you have in your house. I need some space as well for the stamps, of course, because I have no idea how much stamps I need to send it to her, but well, it's within the Netherlands, so that won't be a real problem. This is not a real stamp, it's a sticker stamp. And then at last, a girl with flowers as a present. And now the question, would it fit in or not? Because then I would have a real problem. Well, I hope you liked this video, and I hope to see you next time, and have a lovely weekend. Bye bye!